Hello and welcome to this short video where we take a look at the Renova One non-surgical facelift. It almost sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? It's not. Let's explain why in a way that you can understand. Firstly, there is more than one type of non-surgical facelift. This time round, we will be focusing on the type that uses ultrasound technology. In layman's terms, ultrasound imaging is the technique used when, for example, a baby is scanned in the womb. Exactly the same sound waves can be used to tighten and lift sagging skin. It is the energy of these waves that do all the work. Amazing. But how? So what actually happens to your skin? Well, every woman is familiar with the word collagen, and we know that with aging, the skin loses its elasticity and firmness. This is because collagen production slows down as we age. It starts in your 20s, believe it or not. What ultrasound therapy does is encourage new collagen production by emitting ultrasound energy 5 millimeters deep under the skin. It works beneath the surface layer of skin. Think of it like the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the house collapses. The stimulation of the skin begins a rejuvenation process as the skin has been encouraged by the ultrasound energy to begin producing its own fresh new collagen. Once that dermis starts to produce new collagen, your sagging skin will be a thing of the past. So it's out with the old skin and in with the new. To book your treatment, simply click on the link below or visit our website for details.